So in this video I want to show you how to clean storage on XIAOMI Redmi Note 9. First you need to open security app, and here we can use clean option, and then clean up your storage, or you have another method. If you need, you can go to your setting on your phone, then go to the apps and click on the manage apps, and then select the app you want, for example this, and then click on the clear data button and click on the clear cache. Okay, and this is another way. First I recommend this method. Use this program, and that's all. Goodbye.